Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your account on AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Begin by clicking on your account name located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you to your account settings. Once you're in the settings menu, select the My Account option. This section contains important information about your account. Next, click on the Billing tab. Here you will find details regarding your subscription plan and all billing-related information. In the Billing section, you can view your current subscription plan along with any billing history or payment methods associated with your account. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. This area typically contains options related to account management. At the bottom, you will find options to either cancel account or delete account. Click on the relevant option based on your preference. After clicking the option, follow any prompts that appear to confirm your decision to delete or cancel your account. Make sure to read any information provided about what will happen to your data or subscription. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be scheduled for cancellation or deletion based on your selection. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.